Hello, welcome to your chemistry session. I am so sorry, Ashley, my Wi-Fi went away right at the moment. How are you? Hello. Yes, teacher is now connected. I'm good. Thanks for waiting for ma'am, guys. Thank you. Background has changed. Yes, background has changed. I'm just taking the in the daytime. I usually prefer to take classes here, so I don't need to turn on the lights here. So because there's already so much of light, so I think why not to save electricity if you can, है ना? So if I go to the room, I have to turn on the lights and AC and fan and everything. So here I can save some. Yes, ma'am, take my attendance. Okay, Gaurang, I have taken. Adi, I always keep on sneaking at you. Don't worry. Yes, after a long time, how are you? Ma'am, you look like haven't crying because I'm not wearing the eyeliner today. So you guys think because my eyes are very small. My eyes are so little. That's why. Okay, otherwise I'm always happy. Chalo, so again, welcome to your chemistry session, guys. And let me check. We have Shivam sir with us in the session. Hi, sir. Thank you for joining us. Hello, Ninja. Hi, Tushar. Yes, Ninja, I've seen Sarthak. Hello. Hi, Smriti. Smriti, I'm not ignoring you. Believe me. Hi, Sumit. Hi, Aditya. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, you are here to make me happy. Okay. Chalo, so let's begin the session, guys, in which we will be just discussing the chemical reactions and equations. Okay. So before starting the chapter, I would like to know your class. You guys are from, good afternoon, Sumit. Hello. Hi, Runal. Hi, Adi. So whether you guys are from the 9th standard or you are from the 10th standard. Okay, so I want to know the class flow, what kind of students I'm having, so that we can take up the things accordingly. Yes, 10th standard. Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, so I will just see. Achha, for some students are there from the 9th also, 8th also. Oh my god, yes, I remember some students are from 9th, 8th also. Okay, chalo. So let's begin the session. I am going to turn off the chat box now. Right now, the chat box is turned off, and all your messages are being transferred to your class teacher, Shivam sir. So if you have any doubt related to the session, you are free to ask Shivam sir. So because many students are from the 9th and 8th standard also, so there's a one very clear cut point that I would like to mention here. The point is that this is a mixed session. Okay, so in this particular batch, like we call it CBSE, ICSE, MSc, like that depends whatever board you are from, okay, or whatever is your class, is it's 9th, it's 10th or 8th. So this course is for everyone. Okay, so in this course we will be having total 8 sessions. Total 8 sessions, out of which one session we have already done yesterday. This is the second session, and in all these 8 sessions we will be discussing the first chapter of class 10th CBSE. Okay, so point to be noted, please, by the junior students, 8th and 9th. So you just come to this class with the mentality that we are gonna learn a new topic that belongs to our senior class. So that must be your mentality before coming to this class. Okay, because chemical reactions and equations we will be discussing, there may come some points in future or in today's class also where you may feel disappointed or you're not understanding everything. So at that point, just have some patience. Okay, so take the positive factor into consideration, that you are at least you are just learning something new which belongs to your seniors. Okay, to your senior classes, although there is no limit to learn, you can always learn, right? So I just want to create that kind of mentality among you, that you are aware with the flow of the class, that we would be doing the chapter 1 of class 10th very slowly. Okay, so like we will be just doing it in a very fun way, otherwise we complete the chapter in just 4 sessions. So all my class 10 students, they have already done this chapter just in the 4 classes. Yahan par we will be doing it in 8 sessions, right? So we're just gonna have a look at the activities, very little thing in the chemical reactions and equations and the stuff, right? So what did we do yesterday? Let me now tell you. Yesterday was the introduction to the chemical reactions. We have not done much there. We just discussed the types of changes, that you are having physical changes around you, you are having chemical changes. So in the physical changes, new substances are not being formed. Chemical में primary condition ही ये है कि नए substance जरूर बनेंगे. Okay, so the basic difference between the two kinds of changes are the formation of the new substances. Okay, then we discuss some examples also. After that, I told you what will be the session flow, what we will be discussing in the rest of the activities. You can see here, these are the flow. In the next class, we will be learning the balancing, and I guess I will be just not telling you the balancing via hit and trial only. I will be rather taking up the different methods so that they can be beneficial to you in exam, right? Then types of chemical reactions, identification and activities to perform, very important activities that usually come in the exam, okay, indirectly. And today we will be discussing the chemical equations. How do we write them? What exactly are skeletal equations, right? So where do we write the reactants? Where do we write the products in a chemical reaction? Just the very basic things, right? Before that, let's have a quiz round also. Let me just ask a few questions from you, whether you guys revised your notes or not. Okay, so the very first question on your screen is saying the reason for a physical change to be named as such is that, like, why are you calling it a physical change? Like, what there lies in the name? That is the question. First option is saying that in the physical changes, the change occurs only in the physical properties. Second is saying that transfer of energy takes place. Third is saying physical change is irreversible, means that cannot be, like, turned back, that cannot be reversed. Or last is saying all of these. So you have to choose the correct statement about the physical change. So the reason for a physical change to be named as physical change is what, right? So just give me a thumbs up when you are ready. We can start the question. Yes, very good. Go through all the options, right? I know you can do it. I know that you can do it. Yes, very good. चलो शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? 30 seconds you are having, and I am just gonna start it in 3, 2 and attack. Go for it. अरे इतने सारे इधर उधर, इतने सारे. अरे स्मृति ने कितने टीचर्स के नाम रखे हैं. स्मृति फैन ऑफ दीन बंधु सर, एकता मैम, अनुभव मैम, शुभम सर, अमृत सर, ज्योत्सना मैम, अमित सर. You can also write fan of Vedantu because you have very, like, so many names as your name. Oh my god, that's, I guess, the longest one. Very good, guys, very good. Mark your answers. What happens in the physical, like, क्यों नाम रखा है physical changes? What exactly is the reason? And we just got our fastest fingers list. Payal, Sharvin and Sakshi, they were quite fast, but somehow you have marked something else. I wonder what you people have marked. D, option number D. क्या बोल रहा था D? All of the above. See, physical change, like all of the above, देखा नहीं कि लगा दो यार, all of the above ही होगा, है ना? देखो, physical changes, I told you yesterday, the reason why we are calling them physical changes is because there's a change in the physical properties, ठीक है? Chemical changes बोलते हैं वहाँ chemical properties में change होता है. And very important point, change is an irreversible. Irreversible is something which cannot be reversed back. Okay, चलो एक example लेते हैं. I am having water in the solid state. That is your ice. ठीक है, water in the solid state. What did you do? You just heated the water solid, like you heated up the ice, and you are getting water liquid state. Agree. I had the ice cubes, which is a form of water. I heated it up. I am getting water. So you tell me, if I keep this water in the refrigerator, will I get the ice back? Tell me. If I keep the liquid water in the refrigerator, will I get the ice back? Yes. Yes. Tushar is saying, no ma'am, I will not get it. Tushar, your refrigerator is not working, okay? हाँ, you will get it, right? You will get it. So अगर आप water लोगे, that's what you do. आजकल यही तो करते हो, है ना? ठंडा पानी कहाँ पीते हो? You just drink the refrigerated water, है ना? जब हम स्कूल में होते थे, हम क्या, मैं पूरी रात लाइक फ्रिज में रखती थी वाटर बॉटल, एंड ताकि आइस में ले जा सकूं, लाइक इतनी गर्मी में हम करते थे ऐसा. सो इट डजंट वर्क एनीवे. वो इतने स्कूल बस में ही वो बिल्कुल मेल्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज इतनी गर्मी होती थी. सो यस, एनीवे, सो इफ यू टेक द लिक्विड वाटर, keep it back in the refrigerator, you will get your ice back. Take out the ice, heat it, you will get the water. Again do the same thing, take the water, keep it in the refrigerator. मैम हम पागल हैं क्या? So you are getting the same state again. ठीक है? So क्या हुआ? Only the change in physical state is happening and it is reversible. I told you they are reversible. Can be reversed. देखो ना साफ साफ. Ice to water, water to ice, you have done it, isn't it? Melting, solidification, you have done all these things. Boiling, condensation. So the things are getting reversed, isn't it? मतलब आपने अगर आइस से शुरू किया, वाटर बनाया, आपको वापस आइस मिल सकता है. दैट इज अ रिवर्सिबल चेंज. सो दे आर रिवर्सिबल, कैन बी रिवर्स्ड बैक. So the statement saying that they are irreversibly strong and the name we have given them physical changes is because there is a change in the physical properties, right? Chalo, next question. When the state of matter changes from liquid to gas, एक और चीज लिख लो यहाँ पर, at room temperature, okay? At room temperature, like at normal temperatures, okay? When the state of matter changes from liquid to gas, बहुत ध्यान से समझना. Okay, so what do we call it? Condensation, evaporation, melting and freezing. ये वाला point भी you just take into consideration. We are talking about the room temperature, normal temperature, right? नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर्स पर जब चेंज होता है लिक्विड का गैस में, what do we call it? Like you are having liquid water, the water is no more there, it has now disappeared. What do you call it? Condensation, evaporation, melting or freezing? So give me a thumbs up when you are ready. Easy question, isn't it? So class 9 students, you cannot make an excuse here because this already you have done in chapter number 1, isn't it? Although it's not coming in your syllabus, but still 3, 2 and go for it. Yes, very good. युवराज, फिर से देखो. साक्षी, condensation, okay. Room temperature, take into consideration we are talking about the room temperature, ठीक है? Specifically. Yes, very good. Last few seconds are left. And we are just there on the fastest fingers list. This time, how many of you got it? Oh my god, like what is happening? Pranavi, Sanjay, Tripura, Aaron, what happened? I want to know what you guys have marked. Option number A. So like 10th में आए सब कुछ भुला दिया. कंडेंसेशन थोड़ा उल्टा होता है. दैट इज, देखो जैसे आपने मैगी बनाई, राइट? सो यू जस्ट प्रिपेयर्ड very like Maggi बिल्कुल fresh है, it's very hot, ठीक है? You cover it with the plate, है ना? You cover it with the plate, you let it be for some time. When you go and take back the lid off, you can see some water droplets are there, है ना? Just at the back of the lid. What is that? That is the condensation. So what exactly happens in condensation? You were very close, but the only thing is that that is conversion of liquid to gas, नहीं gas to liquid. ठीक है? सो ऑल दो स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने भी कंडेंसेशन किया है, दैट इज जो वेपर्स होते हैं, लाइक सपोज यू मेड द मैगी, देयर आर द वेपर्स ऑन द सरफेस. सो व्हेन यू कवर देम विद अ प्लेट एंड you let it settle down, what happens? Temperature decreases and the vapors go back into liquid and you can see the droplets there on the lid, right? So what is happening? Gas into liquid back. So vapors are converted back into the liquid. That is condensation, right? Class 9 भुला दिया है ना, जैसे 10 में आए मैम, वो क्या जरूरत है याद करने की. And evaporation में क्या होता है? Like let's say you are having a t-shirt, right? So this is your t-shirt, you have just kept it to dry it up and this is wet. वेट है, इसका मतलब क्या होगा? वाटर पार्टिकल्स तो होंगे, लिक्विड वाटर इज देयर, है ना? एंड यू आर ड्राइंग इट अप इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस? with the passage of time, water particles absorb the energy from the sunlight and they just go into the gaseous state है ना. थोड़ी देर में देखोगे तो your clothes are now dry. So what is happening? Where the water is disappearing, water is just going like bye bye, I am going into vapors, right? So what happens there? Liquid is converted to the gas. That is evaporation, and it happens at all the temperatures below boiling point. Class 9 chapter number 1, you have done it, right? दैट इसीलिए मैंने हिंट भी दिया था, इट हैपेंस एट रूम टेम्परेचर. बाकी चीजों के लिए यू नीड अ पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर, राइट. फ्रीजिंग वाले कौन थे मुझे बताओ, फ्रीजिंग किसने किया है? फ्रीजिंग में तो भाई चलो कंडेंसेशन में हो गया कंफ्यूजन, फ्रीजिंग और मेल्टिंग वाले कौन है? यस टेल मी. फ्रीजिंग, युवराज सिंह मैम मैं हूँ. आइसक्रीम, इट्स ओके साया अंकित, कोई बात नहीं, सो यू कैन अटेंड इट. ओके, yes, okay ma'am, please unmute me. Rudraksh, my mic is not working. I shared this thing also in one of my batches. There is some issues with my phone. I am not telling Vedantu team just because of the fear that what they will say. So it's not like मैंने अभी नया लैपटॉप लिया था, अभी कंपनी ने नया लैपटॉप दिया था, and it's like there are some issues with the mic. So I'm like very like you know कैसे बताऊँ मैं, that kind of thing is happening. ऐसे होता है ना when you do something and you hide it from your parents, है ना, डर की वजह से. The same thing is happening with me. I'm not talking to the tech team and I'm not telling them that there's something wrong with my mic. So unfortunately I'm not able to do that anyway. ठीक है, so हाँ, you can ask Rudraksh, you can ask your doubt. We are having Shivam sir with us, so guys if you have any doubt then Shivam sir would be happy to help you, so please ask your doubts there. Okay, so still if you are not satisfied we will just take them at the end of the session, right? So don't worry about it. चलो, so yes, melting में क्या होता है? It happens at a particular temperature. You take the ice, okay, ice solid, and you just melt it. जीरो से नीचे मेल्ट ही नहीं होगा, ठीक है, इट नीड्स पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर. बर्फ लो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर ही मेल्ट होगा. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? आइस सॉलिड इनटू द वाटर लिक्विड. ये सब क्लास 9th में किया है यार आपने, दैट इज मेल्टिंग. ओके, and temperature and pressure plays a very important role. 0 degree Celsius होगा only at 1 atm, ठीक है. If you are changing the pressure it will change. So that is why whenever you are defining the melting point, boiling point, all those things, I'm talking about the melting point, that is particularly the 0 degree Celsius only. Okay, and conversion of solid into liquid. Freezing में तो इसका उल्टा, take the water, liquid water लिया, keep it in the refrigerator, आइस वापस, दैट इज योर फ्रीजिंग. ओके, सो लिक्विड एंड गैस में फ्रीजिंग मार्क किया. आई डोंट नो वेयर योर माइंड वाज. Okay, so I guess you got the correct answer. That would be B, evaporation, right? चलो, let's go to the next question. And उसमें क्या गुल खिलाओगे? I wanna see. चलो, ये तो सही करना है यार, please, if you were there yesterday. What is the basic difference between physical change and the chemical change? What is the major difference? Major difference क्या है दोनों के बीच में? Formation of a mixture. Second is saying formation of a solution. Third is saying formation of a new substance, and the last is saying formation of a gas, right? So what is the major difference between PC and a CC? Mixture का बनना, solution का बनना, नए substance का बनना, या gas का evolve होना. Okay, so you have to tell me in 3, 2 and attack. There you go. Rudraksh, read it again. युवराज, यू आर सही. युवराज इज आफ्टर ऑप्शन डी. चाहे ना चाहे कुछ हो जाए, मुझे तो ऑप्शन डी लगाना है. युवराज, आई हैव नोटिस दैट यू आर आफ्टर ऑप्शन नंबर डी, एंड दैट्स लाइक that name also. Chandan, why you have used so confusing fonts? I cannot even read your name. Seriously, बहुत confusing font है, मुझे तो दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा. चंदन, मैंने इतनी मुश्किल से पढ़ा है, do you know? On the fastest finger. Tripura, what are you doing? Why are you doing it intentionally? Huh? Okay, chalo, still we improved है, but a few students are saying मैम formation of mixture होता है. हाँ, मैंने देखा है mixture बना था. So physical change, chemical change में सबसे पहली चीज जो आप observe करोगे वो होगा formation of a new substance. Okay, you will just observe the first thing, that in the physical changes are there any new substances being formed? नो, केमिकल में डेफिनेटली यू विल बी गेटिंग द न्यू सब्सटेंस. ठीक है, आई टोल्ड यू कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं कंफ्यूजिंग वेयर यू हैव प्रॉब्लम्स टू आइडेंटिफाई क्लासिफाई इट एज अ फिजिकल चेंज और अ केमिकल चेंज. उसके केस में यू जस्ट फोकस ऑन वन थिंग, वेदर न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म्ड इन द रिएक्शन और नॉट. ठीक है, इन द चेंज रादर. सो अगर नया सब्सटेंस बना है, यू कैटेगराइज इट एज द केमिकल फॉर श्योर, राइट? Okay, so answer would be C. I'm going to show you the leaderboard now before going to the next topic. What is the leaderboard? Okay, not bad, huh? Okay, so you guys are see Mrunal, I can see the name is like having so much of creativity, huh? And Somalya and Mrunal, they are having same kind of font. ठीक है, चलो. So now let's go. I guess they have just made something like this, है ना? Oh, I better use it in my mehendi next time. Yes, that's a good. See, I have used these things in my mehendi also. देखो ये वाला same design है. The design which you have used in your name. This is the only thing I know. I just take the mehendi and I just keep on drawing things like this. This is the only thing I know. Anyway, now we will focus on the chemical reactions. We have seen the types of changes. राइट. एंड एक और छोटा सा पॉइंट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू. कल मैंने एक और चीज आपको बताया था, हाउ टू मेक द केमिकल रिएक्शंस इंफॉर्मेटिव, है ना? सो आई टोल्ड यू वी कैन एड द स्टेट ऑफ द सब्सटेंस. लाइक इफ आई एम राइटिंग जिंक is reacting with HCl to give you zinc chloride and hydrogen. So I told you this reaction is not very preferred because it is not telling you anything about the state. Like zinc is existing in solid, liquid or the gaseous state. So मैंने बताया था हम reaction को informative बनाने के लिए we just add some the physical states, okay, the state in which they are present and reacting with each other. So now the next question was that I receive a lot of questions on the same thing. Ma'am, how do we decide the state, है ना? मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा zinc solid में लिया है, liquid में नहीं लिया? So actually ये things practically ही determine होते हैं, but still I will tell you one thing. Generally when you are talking about the metals, generally जब metals present होते हैं reaction में, they are in the solid state. Right, generally I'm saying, you know that mercury is a metal but still it exists in the liquid state, right? So that is a general thing I'm telling you. Generally if you are having non metals, अगर non metals होते हैं आपके पास, generally they are either gases or solids. ठीक है, generally either gases or solids, but there is also a liquid one, bromine. Bromine is a liquid non metal, right? Okay, so these are some exceptions I'm telling you. So अगर आपको confusion होता है that मैम नहीं समझ आता कौन solid है, liquid है, aqueous है, then you can also follow this. But yes, it will work in your cases. Majority of the time it works. And the last thing are the compounds, right? So compounds किस state में present होगा? जैसे zinc chloride is a compound है, right? So HCl is also a compound. So they are generally present in the aqueous state, right? Aqueous. So you just add AQ after them. Aqueous means you have taken the compound and just dissolved it in water, right? So you are just making the solution of the substance in the water. So these are the things that you can remember if you want to know the state of the substance, right? So although it is a completely practically determined data, बिल्कुल practically वो चीज होता है, but still this is a general thing which I have told you. So it works in many cases. Like if you say copper sulfate, it's a compound and वो reaction में generally aqueous state में ही present होता है, right? So these are the things that you can follow up sometimes. Now we will see how do we write the chemical reactions. So you have seen what exactly happens in a chemical reaction. It is formed by a chemical change, right? Whenever a chemical change is happening, मैंने कल भी बताया था, अगर कोई chemical change होगा, there will be a chemical reaction associated with it 100%. And if there is a chemical reaction, how do we write it? With the help of chemical equation. So now what exactly happens in the chemical reaction? First of all, there is only rearrangement of atoms. Please इसको notebook में लिख लेना, ठीक है? There is only rearrangement of atoms because मैंने देखा है students को, देखो I'll help you with, I'll tell you with the help of an example what exactly is the meaning of rearrangement. देखो मैंने reactants लिए zinc and HCl, okay? I will get two substances. I don't know क्या मिलेगा. Let's say एक मैंने बता दिया. I will just tell you one product, and the one which I am telling you is zinc chloride aqueous solution, right? इसके अलावा एक gas भी generate होगा. I will be giving you some options. You will be getting hydrogen gas, chlorine gas, O2 gas, or there will be nitrogen gas. Okay, so you tell me the answer right away. 1, 2, 3 and 4. चलो बताओ. Reaction is taking place. कौन सा gas मिलेगा? Yes, think about it. Yuvraj, you haven't marked D option yet. I was waiting for you to mark D, huh? Like, ma'am, no, I am not gonna mark option D. You think I'm a fool? I'm not. Yes, tell me, what will be the gas that you're gonna get? Okay, let's see the results. So somehow majority of you got it right. देखो कुछ लोगों ने ना C option भी मांगे. चलो D वाला तो कोई नहीं है. यहाँ पर you guys won. Okay, I'll say that. Still, a few students have marked option number C. ठीक है, देखो. I am saying that chemical reaction में there is only rearrangement of atoms. Rearrangement of atoms का क्या मतलब होता है? On the reactant side, I have taken zinc, hydrogen, and chlorine. I have just taken Zn, HNCl. Then on the product side also you will only get these three elements only. ऐसा नहीं होगा कहीं से oxygen product बन जाए, because O2 is something oxygen was not even present in the reactants. So how it can be there on the product side if you were not having it on the reactant side, right? So O2 and nitrogen makes no sense here. The reason being, in a chemical reaction there is only what happens, the rearrangement of atoms is there. So if zinc was present isolated form में HCl, HNCl, so it may happen that zinc can combine with Cl. Hydrogen can now be isolated. So these things are just the rearrangement. ठीक है, हो सकता है ZnH के साथ combine हो जाए, chlorine अलग हो जाए. So this is the rearrangement. ठीक है. So in a chemical reaction, you don't add any certain compound or the element which you did not take up in the reactants. ठीक है. अगर आपने reactants में लिया ही नहीं है oxygen, तो products में कैसे O2 gas आएगा? इसमें oxygen, air is not interfering. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है, air से नहीं आएगा oxygen. It's not interfering in the reaction. So ये products का तो कोई सेंस ही नहीं बनता. It will either be H2 or it will be Cl2 because Cl was present there. Okay. So what exactly happens in the chemical reaction? You have to always remember it's just the rearrangement of rearrangement of atoms, and during this rearrangement there may be bond breakage. देखो जैसे कि same reaction consider करेंगे. Zinc you have taken, HCl के साथ reaction किया है. We are getting zinc chloride and hydrogen. ठीक है, अभी reactants में क्या था? Zinc and HNCl का bond था. They were having a bond. So when reaction is taking place, bond is getting broken. Okay, so what is happening? Bond tuta, bond gets broken, and then Cl and Z combine with each other. You would be getting zinc chloride, right? We take the 2 moles. Ma'am, दो Cl कहाँ से आए? Because you balance the reaction also, so you are having 2 moles of HCl, right? So what is happening? Bond tuta and zinc chloride में what happens? New bond is formed between zinc and Cl, isn't it? New bond is formed between the zinc and Cl, that is zinc chloride. So what is happening in a chemical reaction? दो चीजें होती हैं. There are bond breakage, and also new bonds are also formed because you get the new substances. So you can see यहाँ से bond tuta, bond is also breaking and new bonds are also formed. So what happens in a chemical reaction? It is written here that new substances are formed by bond breaking and also there is a bond formation, right? So दोनों चीजें हुई है, bond is formed and a bond is broken. So you have to keep these things in mind, that what happens in a chemical reaction, just the rearrangement of atoms which is preceded by the bond breakage or the new bond formation. That's how you define it. Okay, now on the left hand side, I told you yesterday also, reactants are present. So if I am taking a reaction, zinc is reacting with HCl, you are getting some new substances, right? So what exactly is happening here? Zinc and HCl are reacting with each other. They are the old substances. ठीक है, so ऐसे old substances को हम क्या बोलते हैं? They are the reactants, the old substances which are combining and they are giving you some new products, right? So we call them what? Reactants, the original ones, the initial ones, the older ones from where you started the reaction. Like if you are making sugar solution, आपको sugar solution बनाना है, you take some water, you add sugar to it. So what are the reactants in the sugar solution? Can you tell me? You have to make a sugar solution. What are the reactants? Yes, tell me. Reactants क्या है? Yes. Water and sugar. Very good, guys. Very good. Yes. And glucose, huh? Okay, ठीक है. So I was telling you, what exactly is there? Reactants में क्या होगा? You are having the older substances, ठीक है? So reactants में older substances होंगे. So अगर मैंने बोला you are making sugar solution, अरे क्या लिख दिया मैंने? See, देखो निंजा हथौड़ी is just full in the form, हाँ? Don't fear students जब साथ में हो निंजा हथौड़ी, अरे वाह, इशाद, ठीक है. सो शुगर में आपने ऐड किया पानी, पानी में आपने शुगर ऐड किया है ना. ओके, सो यू आर गेटिंग शुगर सोल्यूशन. सो रिएक्टेंट्स कौन थे? ओल्डर वन, द ओल्डर सब्सटेंसेस. शुगर सोल्यूशन तो नया, ओल्डर वन, दे आर द रिएक्टेंट्स है. ओके, so reactants are the old substances, और जो नए substance बनते हैं उनको बोलते हैं products, right? Products, like you do it in the biology also, है ना? So you are having the products, so they are the new substances that are being formed after the reaction. Let me see if they have written about the products also. Yes, they have. Okay, so the substances formed as a result by the formation of new bonds are the products. Simple identify कर लेना arrow की help से, right? If arrow is made in this direction and you are getting the products here, reactants here, okay? So you can carry out the comparison with respect to the direction of the arrow. So arrow is telling you direction in which the reaction is taking place. ठीक है, चलो कुछ questions करते हैं. Enough theory यार, इतनी theory काफी है. हाँ, yes, this also I have told you that how do you represent a chemical reaction with the help of a chemical equation. And how do we write the chemical equation? With the help of respective symbols or the formula of the species which are present. Okay, जैसे मैंने बोला zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid and it results in the formation of zinc chloride and the hydrogen gas. This was the word equation. Chemical equation में I would be using the zinc symbol reacting with hydrochloric acid, its formula. I will be using its simple representation HCl, and that is giving me zinc chloride and the hydrogen gas. ठीक है? So it's just the symbolic representation, and also these things we also call them as skeletal equation. I told you the equation in which you are just replacing the name with the respective chemical formulas. That is the skeletal equation, and also it is unbalanced. I'll tell you, just have some questions now, okay? Chalo, let's discuss the quiz time we are having. The very first question on your screen. A chemical reaction involves dash. Chemical reaction में क्या होता है? Right, only breaking of bonds, only formation of bonds, both breaking and the formation of bonds, and the last is saying none of these. ठीक है? So a chemical reaction involves which of the following? So give me a thumbs up when you are ready. I guess you don't need extra time, huh? You're already so smart, isn't it? चलो शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन को. In 3, 2 and there you go. Mark for it. Yes, very good. Let's take it above 80. Sakshi, only breaking of bonds you are saying. Okay, and Kanishka is saying only formation of bonds. Okay, Sakshi Kanishka को combine कर देंगे हम, ठीक है? Okay, so let's see the results on the fastest fingers list. Oh my god, finally we got the desired result, huh? Okay, very good. Then a few students have also marked. देखो आपने बोला only breaking of bond, एक reaction consider करेंगे वही, ठीक है, एक थंब reaction हमने बना लिया जिंक और HCl का. If there is only breaking of bond, चलो मान लिया हो गया bond, ठीक है, bond टूट गया. You are having zinc plus H NCl. क्या ये प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे आपको? टेल मी. क्या हाइड्रोजन तो वैसे ही एटम्स डू नॉट एग्जिस्ट इंडिपेंडेंटली, ठीक है, दे आर नॉट स्टेबल. सो H2 और HCl you have just broken the bond. It's not stable now, ठीक है, it's not in the stable form. H is like, you know, you have just broken the bond literally, so they are not stable now, right? So you tell me, you are saying ma'am only breaking of bonds happen, so product कैसे stabilize होगा? There is no stability, right? So there is breaking of bond for sure. Bond टूटेगा नहीं तो नया कैसे बनेगा, है ना? So after this what happens? Combination also happens, bond formation, new bonds are also formed, right? So it's not only the breaking happens, अगर टूटेगा तो बनेगा भी, right? So both the things are very obvious. So both things happen, bond breaking and the bond formation. सिर्फ अगर आपने मार्क किया only bond formation happens, तो bond अगर सिर्फ bond बनेगा तो ये तो product बनेगा. Zn is also combined with HNCl, है ना? जिंक ले जबरदस्ती, अरे मुझे भी bond बनाना है, मुझे भी अंदर लो, ठीक है. So what is happening? Zn HNCl, no point, right? Bond breakage and bond formation happens. सो केमिकल रिएक्शंस में दोनों चीजें होते हैं, आपको ये बात ध्यान में रखना है, ओके. एंड आल्सो रीअरेंजमेंट हैपेंस, इसको मत भूलना. सो डोंट मेक, यू नो, ऑक्सीजन नाइट्रोजन एज अ प्रोडक्ट्स अननेसेसरीली इन अ रिएक्शन वेयर दे आर नॉट इवन प्रेजेंट, राइट? चलो लेट्स हैव द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन द स्क्रीन. Identify the reactants in the below chemical equation. You have to identify reactants and you are having zinc. अच्छा ठीक है, नहीं खुद करो इसे. आई एम नॉट राइटिंग द रिएक्शन ऑल्सो. यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई रिएक्टेंट्स. Zinc and hydrochloric acid, first option is saying. Second option, zinc chloride and hydrogen, like ये reactants हैं, ये लोग reactants हैं. Third is saying zinc and hydrogen, okay. Last is saying hydrochloric acid and hydrogen. So you have to identify reactants. There are two things in a reaction, reactants and the products. आपसे रिएक्टेंट्स के बारे में पूछा है. यू हैव टू टेल मी इन 3, 2 अटैक. yes, very good. Can we take it above 80? सौमल्या एंड युवराज ने तो डी ऑप्शन छोड़ दिया. मैम डी नहीं करना, मैम ने बोल दिया डी किया, अब नहीं करना है मुझे डी. प्रणवी क्या मार्क किया आपने? सौमल्या ओके. साक्षी इज आल्सो सेइंग बी. कनिष्का सी. लेट्स सी द फास्टेस्ट फिंगर्स लिस्ट ओवर द स्क्रीन. ओके, वेरी गुड, दैट्स गुड. Many students have marked 11% ने बोला है. The B अच्छा ठीक है. देखो I just told you on the left hand side older substances are written on the left hand side and they are the reactants. जो नए substance होते हैं they are the products. Clear cut confusion हो गया, ठीक है. देखो अब जिसने मार्क किया है जिंक एंड हाइड्रोजन, आप ये सोचो यू आर सेइंग मैम जिंक इज अ रिएक्टेंट एंड हाइड्रोजन इज रिएक्टेंट. अब इतना दूर दूर जिंक और हाइड्रोजन है, वो रिएक्ट करेंगे तो नया रिएक्शन बनेगा. आपने तो ये रिएक्शन बना दिया. मैम जिंक एंड हाइड्रोजन आर रिएक्टिंग, दे विल फॉर्म जिंक हाइड्राइड, हाँ, इजंट इट? सो ये तो नया रिएक्शन है, जिंक एंड हाइड्रोजन आर रिएक्टेंट. सो जो रिएक्टेंट्स होंगे वो एक ही साइड प्रेजेंट होंगे, ठीक है, ईदर ऑन द राइट ईदर ऑन द लेफ्ट. प्रोडक्ट्स का भी सेम है, दे विल बी प्रेजेंट ऑन द सेम साइड. ऐसा नहीं है एक रिएक्टेंट लेफ्ट में है, एक उधर है दूसरी साइड. हाउ दे विल रिएक्ट? जिंक इज सेइंग हाय हाइड्रोजन, अरे वी हैव टू रिएक्ट, रिमेंबर वी आर द रिएक्टेंट्स. सो हाउ दे विल रिएक्ट? या तो देखो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड ऑप्शन में कंफ्यूजन होगा, समझ आता है, या तो लेफ्ट या राइट, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं होगा. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड यहाँ है, हाइड्रोजन यहाँ है. सो यू आर सेइंग मैम ये रिएक्शन हुआ है, ये है रिएक्टेंट्स. reactants react with each other, right? So like HCl is saying hi hydrogen, we have to react. मुझे नजर ही नहीं आ रहा यार हाइड्रोजन कहाँ इतना दूर है, ठीक है. सो एक ही साइड प्रेजेंट होंगे, या तो लेफ्ट में होंगे एरो के या फिर राइट में होंगे. सो रिएक्टेंट्स ऑल्डर सब्सटेंसेस दे आर प्रेफरेबल, दे आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द एरो. देखो यहाँ पर, ठीक है. प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन द न्यू सब्सटेंसेस फॉर्म दे आर ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. सो ये वाला तो कंफ्यूजन होना ही नहीं चाहिए, वो तो बिल्कुल अलग अलग साइड है. सो ईदर द कंफ्यूजन कैन बी बिटवीन ए और इट कैन बी बिटवीन बी, राइट. सो बी में जिंक क्लोराइड एंड हाइड्रोजन दे आर द प्रोडक्ट्स, राइट. Okay, chalo. So now let me also show you some questions. If you, so this is the thing I was telling you. रुको. So what exactly is happening? Rearrangement is happening. I've already told you. देखो यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है left hand side. We are writing reactants, the all substances which are reacting with each other. Okay. वहां पर like you are having AB, right hand side you are having the product. So A and B are combining to give you a new substance, that is AB. And what the arrow is telling you? Direction of the reaction. Arrow क्या बता रहा है? It is telling you the direction in which the reaction is taking place. ऐसे जैसे आप you use the bow and arrow, you are just seeing the direction with the help of it, है ना? Okay, let's have a question. An arrow in a chemical reaction indicates what? एक arrow है, a reaction is taking place between A plus B and they are forming AB. What is this arrow indicating? Speed of the reaction or direction of the reaction. And I am just gonna start it in 3, 2 and attack. Go for it. Very good, Kanishka. Read it again. Yug. समीशा फिर से करो. मैम 10th क्लास पढ़ रहे हैं वो कम है ना? नहीं कम नहीं है बिल्कुल. आप 10th पढ़ रहे हो, दैट इज अ वेरी गुड एटीट्यूड. जब हमारे टाइम पे सीनियर्स के साथ कभी कभी क्लास होती थी, हम नहीं लेते थे. लाइक व्हाट, क्यों पढ़ूं मैं 10th? मैं 10th में जाऊंगी तब पढ़ूंगी ना. अभी तो लाइक ऑनलाइन में यू आर टेकिंग द फुल एडवांटेजेस. आई हैव सीन 9th क्लास स्टूडेंट्स सिटिंग इन द 11th क्लास बैचेस आल्सो. That's amazing. That's amazing. And now, okay, so the confusion was only between A and B क्योंकि दो ही तो ऑप्शन थे. देखो कुछ लोगों ने स्पीड किया है. So chemical equations का एक drawback होता है. You are writing a chemical equation. It is having a drawback. Drawback is that speed of the reaction cannot be determined. ठीक है, स्पीड नहीं बता सकते हैं. देखो आई जस्ट राइट अ रिएक्शन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. तो लाइक मैम इस रिएक्शन के पीछे पड़ गए हो. जिंक HCl स्टेट अपने आप लिख लोगे, है ना? एक्सपेक्ट सॉलिड एक्वस एंड जिंक फ्लोराइड एक्वस एंड हाइड्रोजन इज गैस. ठीक है, एक रिएक्शन मैंने लिखा. स्टेट्स यू जस्ट इमेजिन स्टेट्स आर आल्सो रिटन, राइट? चलो लिख देते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. ओके, एंड वी आर हैविंग द गैस. अब मुझे बताओ, इज दिस रिएक्शन टेलिंग यू अबाउट द स्पीड? लेट्स से मैंने टेम्परेचर भी बता दिया, दैट रिएक्शन इज हैपनिंग एट 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस. I have mentioned temperature. Is this reaction telling you anything about the speed? Tell me. Can you tell me कितना fast ये reaction है? That reaction will be happening in 10 seconds, 10 minutes, 10 days or the 10 hours. नहीं बता रहा है ना? नहीं बताता है. ये ड्रॉबैक होता है. ठीक है, ये ड्रॉबैक होता है केमिकल इक्वेशंस का. दैट रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड. रेट इज द स्पीड ओनली, राइट? रेट और द स्पीड विद विच द प्रोडक्ट्स आर बीइंग फॉर्म. जिंक क्लोराइड हाइड्रोजन कितनी देर में बना है, ये केमिकल इक्वेशंस कहीं मेंशन नहीं करता. ओके, दिस इज द ड्रॉबैक. एंड इसी ड्रॉबैक की वजह से वी हैव अ न्यू ब्रांच ऑफ केमिस्ट्री दैट इज नोन एज केमिकल काइनेटिक्स, राइट? सो जब आप केमिकल काइनेटिक्स में जाओगे, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्यों पड़ी. बिकॉज we need to determine the rate of the reaction. So अगर आपको किसी रिएक्शन का रेट ही नहीं पता है, there is no point, right? You keep on waiting and you just keep on, you keep on waiting for hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen, अब मैंने ये रिएक्शन लिखा. देखो मैंने एक रिएक्शन लिखा that H2 and O2 is reacting with each other to form water. Now you will think, अरे वाटर खत्म हो गया, एक काम करता हूँ हाइड्रोजन गैस ले लेता हूँ, ऑक्सीजन, चलो पानी बनाएंगे. You keep on waiting for it. It will never happen. कभी भी नहीं होगा. पानी कभी बनेगा ही नहीं हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन को कंबाइन करके. Because there are other things that are defining the reaction. Okay, so rate is also very important parameter. If you don't know reaction kitne din mein hoga, kab hoga, hoga bhi ya nahi hoga, you take your goal, dip it in the hydrochloric acid, keep on waiting, wait करो यार, कुछ होगा, कभी कुछ होगा ही नहीं. So if you don't even know about it, you don't know the rate of reaction, there is no significance of chemistry. इसीलिए we are having chemical kinetics, बहुत ज़्यादा interesting topic है and also very very important, बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful significance होता है chemical kinetics का. एंड केमिकल काइनेटिक्स भी रिएक्शन की पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं बता पाता. देन वी हैव केमिकल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, राइट? So these things are leading to the formation, you know, of a new discovery and a new subject coming right away. These are just related to each other. So kinetics is not able to tell reaction hoga ya nahi. We have thermodynamics for that, right? So you are having the drawbacks of chemical equation. It is not telling you the rate of the reaction. So arrow आपको rate नहीं बताता है. It is not telling you the speed. It is just telling you the direction of the reaction. जैसे कुछ reactions में you are having equilibrium arrow also, if you have seen it, right? So I'm just adding it in water. ये वाला arrow भी कुछ में आप देखोगे. So there are बहुत ज़्यादा अलग types के arrow होते हैं. Every arrow is having different meaning. ये वाला arrow भी होता है. It is gonna tell you reaction complete ही नहीं है, ठीक है? It means that reaction, you can see it is also showing you in the towards right direction, left. So it is an equilibrium arrow कि reaction equal है. So अभी क्या होगा, your reactants and products are in equal concentration present. So reaction can go in either of these two direction. It is there. So arrows are telling you direction in which the reaction is happening. So you have to remember, right? Not the speed. Speed तो equation बता ही नहीं सकता है. That is the drawback. I am giving you a homework. Please note it down. What is meant by a skeletal type of chemical equation? What does it represent? Give an example of any skeletal equation. Give me a thumbs up when you have taken the screenshot. Okay, screenshot ले लो. Or you don't need to take the screenshot. Download किया करो session notes. Okay, कर लिया करो. After the class, you will get the replay session. With that, you will also get the download session notes. Session notes का एक option होता है. Otherwise, I know students have a habit of taking the screenshots. So you can take it anyway. This is your homework. And let's discuss some questions again, right? Okay, so the question number 1, which we will be taking now, is this. The first thing that happens during a chemical reaction. सबसे पहली चीज, you just remember chemical reaction होता है because of a chemical change. So first thing that happens in a, क्या लिख दिया मैंने, क्या writing लिखी है? The first thing that happens in the chemical change. What is that? You know, chemical change होगा, chemical reaction होगा. Reaction है तो equation भी होगा. So what exactly is the first thing that happens in a chemical change? Atoms remain same. New substances are formed. A substance is reversed to its components. Energy is given out. Like options are also very like stupid, but anyway, you just try. The first thing that close your eyes, and ma'am told you one thing that should come into your mind when we are discussing chemical changes. Close your eyes and think about it. Chemical change है तो सबसे पहले वही देखना है आपको. What is that? I am gonna start the quiz in 3, 2, and attack. Yuvraj, still you haven't marked it D again. I was waiting. Okay. Sakshi, C. Marking C. Latha, you have also marked C. Samisha ने भी क्या है? C में क्या है भाई? मुझे भी हिंदी में बताओ क्या मीनिंग है? Is it a substance is reversed to its components? It means it is saying that reaction is reversible, irreversible, reversible, and okay, many students have marked. देखो option C ने क्या बताया है? Substance is reversed to its components. Like the reaction is reversible. Let's say a chemical change. You are having paper. आपने burn कर दिया. You just burn the paper. Burning of paper, you will get the black ashes. ठीक है, आपने you just took a sheet of paper, you burnt it in the fire, that is a chemical change. So you tell me, क्या ashes से paper वापस मिलेगा? Tell me, can you reverse the substance into its components? Can you reverse the ashes into the paper back? Can you do it? Misclick हो गया, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, tell me, very good. Yes. Okay. So you are having क्वेश्चन नॉट अंडरस्टूड. गौरांग क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा था? वो बोलता है कि देखो, द ऑप्शंस आर लाइक गिवन टू कंफ्यूज यू एनीवे. क्वेश्चन सिंपल था. व्हाट हैपेंस इन द केमिकल रिएक्शन? केमिकल रिएक्शन इज अ केमिकल चेंज. व्हाट हैपेंस इन अ केमिकल चेंज? न्यू सब्सटेंसेस आर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड. एक ही तो चीज बताया है मैंने राइट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट क्लास. न्यू सब्सटेंसेस आर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड एंड इट इज ऑफन इरिवर्सिबल. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है हमेशा यू विल बी गेटिंग द सब्सटेंसेस बैक. लाइक यू टेक अ शीट ऑफ पेपर, जला दो पेपर को, यू विल गेट द एशेस. ठीक है, उन एशेस से कैन यू गेट द पेपर बैक? तो मैम आई विल कीप इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर, एशेस लूंगा फ्रिज में रखूंगा, पेपर वापस मिलेगा. ऐसे तो नहीं होता है ना. सो दे आर नॉट रिवर्सिबल, नॉट ऑलवेज रिवर्सिबल. सो अ सब्सटेंस is reversed to its components, that is a false statement. It doesn't happen always in a chemical reaction, right? So what exactly is happening? Like you are having hydrogen combining with the oxygen to form water. You are getting water. So you cannot just, you cannot just directly get hydrogen or oxygen. I give you a glass of water, I say hydrogen gas निकालो इसमें से. लेकिन रुको मैम अभी निकाल दो, रुको ये लो हाइड्रोजन. So you have to do a series of chemical changes. For that you need electricity for that, right? So first thing that happens in the chemical changes are the formation of a new substance, right? I understand options were not very good that were given in the question. Anyhow, okay. Next question. In a word equation, the products are placed at. बताओ, let's say a reaction is happening. A plus B is reacting to form AB. You have to tell products kahan hai. This is the direction of arrow. Products are kept at the left hand side of the arrow. यहाँ पर products लिखते हैं. और right hand side of the arrow यहाँ पर products लिखते हैं. और above the arrow, अरे वाह, ये तो कुछ नया है. यहाँ पर you are writing the products. और below the arrow, अरे वाह, you're having यहाँ पर products. बताओ, in the equation where do you keep the products? Left hand side, right hand side, above the arrow, below the arrow. So I will just start the quiz in 3, 2 and there we go. Yes, very good Yuvraj, this time you got it right. Yes Sakshi, very good. Yes, finally we are getting it. Good. Mark your answers. Yes. Khushi, very good. All like Mahfuz, Rashi, Purushottam, Chitrak, Shudrak. अरे चित्राक शुद्राक्ष एक जैसा. Latha, Priya, Riya. This very good Samisha. And there we go. Fastest fingers list. Can we take it above 80? Tripura, what did you mark? Above the arrow, हाँ? Tripura marked above the arrow. No, ma'am, below the arrow. Okay, देखो बेबी, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कौन होता है? रिएक्टेंट्स. ठीक है, अभी काफी रिजल्ट अच्छा हुआ है. 95, 96 गॉट इट राइट. शुरू में तो 70 गॉट इट राइट. बिलो द एरो, अबव द एरो, यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या मेंशन करते हैं? टेम्परेचर कुछ हो, कंडीशन या फिर प्रेशर हो, कैटलिस्ट हो. कैटलिस्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट, राइट? डोंट वरी. राइट हैंड साइड में वी आर हैविंग अ प्रोडक्ट. So this is the total flow of the reaction. जैसे कि एक एग्जांपल लेंगे, that reactant A and B are reacting at a temperature of 273 Kelvin at a pressure of 2 atmosphere in the presence of nickel as a catalyst. So catalyst क्या करता है? It increases the rate of the reaction. वही rate, speed of the reaction. ठीक है. So if this reaction was taking place in let's say 10 years, अगर ये रिएक्शन 10 साल में होगा, यू आर एडिंग द कैटलिस्ट, इट विल जस्ट टेक इन 10 days. ये भी नहीं, लेकिन रेट इतना ज्यादा इंक्रीज होता है कैटलिस्ट से दैट यू कैन नॉट इवन इमेजिन. देयर इज अ कैटलिस्ट इन योर बॉडी आल्सो. आई जस्ट लाइक सो मेनी, यू आर डूइंग द एंजाइम्स. विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट इन द लास्ट सेशन. ओके, सो हाँ, यहाँ पर क्या मेंशन करते हैं? टेम्परेचर एंड द प्रेशर कंडीशंस, they are the reactants. Older one, they are the products, right? So you have to keep in mind. Let's have one more question. Yes, okay. this question, a chemical reaction is represented by dash. So you know chemical change होगा तो chemical reaction होगा, chemical reaction होगा तो क्या होगा? You will be representing it by the name of the reactants, name of the products, by a chemical equation, none of these. ठीक है, a chemical reaction is represented by dash. किसकी हेल्प से रिएक्शन को हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? reactants, products, chemical equation, none of these. 3, 2 and attack. Yes, very good. You again, Yuvraj, very good. Everyone, yes, very good. Nihira and Pranavi, very good summation. Like abhi the improving, huh? Can we take it above 80? Last question hai ye. Let's see the results. All of you have marked it. So on the fastest fingers list, how many of you? Not bad. Khushi, you have also like marked something else, huh? 7% ने क्या किया है? B, name of the product. So chemical, देखो, a chemical change always associated with the chemical reaction, and how do we represent them? Chemical equation. देखो वापस जाओ, चैप्टर का नाम पढ़ो. क्या है चैप्टर का नाम? Chemical reactions and equations. So we discuss, पहली चीज ही मैं आपको chemical changes पढ़ाती हूँ, because chemical changes lead to the formation of a chemical reaction. There's always, उस reaction को हम represent कैसे करते हैं? With the help of the equation. Just like maths में you are having them, isn't it? So same, so a chemical reaction is represented with the help of a chemical equation. So you have to keep this thing, not with the products only. Products and reactants are together making a chemical equation. Okay. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन कर लो, एक और ट्राई कर लो. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज मेंट बाय अ केमिकल रिएक्शन? सो देखो चैप्टर नेम केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड इक्वेशंस. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय अ केमिकल रिएक्शन? केमिकल रिएक्शन, a chemical change which forms new substances, a physical change which does not form new substances, a chemical change which form atoms, or a physical change which forms atoms. ठीक है, देखो जिस मैंने कल से सिर्फ यही पॉइंट बताया है बहुत ज्यादा बार, so please just think about it. Read the options again. What do you mean by a chemical reaction? Give me a thumbs up when you are ready. Yes, chemical reaction. Two options can be eliminated directly. Just close your eyes and remove. अरे ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. चलो 3, 2 and there we go. Mark it. What exactly do you understand by a chemical reaction? Can we take it above 80? Can we take it above 80? Yes, very good. हो गया. चलो आंसर देखेंगे. Can we take it? We have a record of taking the results above 90 in the last question. So let's see if we can maintain the record here also. On the fastest fingers list. Wow, not bad. Array. So one student marked it C and just 2 students have marked. देखो chemical reaction, the word itself is telling you I am a chemical change. भाई फिजिकल का तो मतलब ही नहीं है. ठीक है, जैसे ही फिजिकल देगा आगे पढ़ो ही मत. Just cancel it out. Now there are two things. Either a chemical change is formed with the formation of a new substance, वो तो होगा ही होगा. और next is saying chemical change which form atoms. You know atoms, new atoms are never formed. It's just the rearrangement of atoms that happens. Okay, so this is also wrong. So we are just left with the first option. The new substances are formed here, right? So what did we discuss today? We just talked about the reactions, equations, how do we write them? Okay. So I'm going to show you the leaderboard now. So we are having the leaderboards. There we go. Right. So you can see we have Gaurang, Are, Mrunal, Payal, and thank you, Smriti. Aaron, Adi, Suraj, Vismya, Sanjay, Aditya, Mansi, Yug, Pranay, Siddhant, Shivangi, and Hero. That's Hero, huh? ओके, टेलीग्राम लिंक ऑफ माइक्रो कोर्सेज। ओह माय गॉड, आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट यार, मैंने बताया था ना, आप लोग बना लो एक ग्रुप, मुझे उसमें ऐड कर दो प्लीज। Sanket, you can ask me on the Telegram group. Okay, so you can ask me the doubts which are not related to the class. You are free to ask them on the Telegram. Okay, thank you, Sumit. Right guys, you can ask me there. You know, ma'am is always present. Ma'am, please send. Yeah, मैं सच में भूल गई. Thank you, महफूज. Okay, so yes, I need to get it repaired. We are excited to speak with you. Please repair Mike. We are with you, ma'am. Don't worry. Thank you, Ninja Hattori. Yeah. Okay, ठीक है, चलो. So I'll see you. Formula sugar C12H22O11. ठीक है. What is the number I wrote in the feedback? Adi, that was 7. I guess 7 or 5. You. Suraj C12H22O11. ठीक है. Okay. So I'll see you, Chitraksh. You can tell me, यार मुझे इस पे कर देना मैसेज. Okay, you just text me here. Shilpi Kaushik on Telegram. If you want me to add you to any group, मुझे प्लीज वहाँ टेक्स्ट कर देना है. मैं यहाँ में सच में लाइक मुझे नहीं याद रहा कि आई हैव टू मेक ओके सार्थक. ओके ग्रुप. चलो, न्यू इंग्लिश चैनल में आप नहीं हो मैम. यस, आई डोंट वांट टू टेक द क्लासेस ऑन यूट्यूब. मैंने लाइक दैट इज माय पर्सनल रीजन. ठीक है, सो हाँ, that is why. Skeletal equation I have gave you in the homework. Okay, Sanket, I'll give you the answer. Okay, thank you Shivam sir for being with us in the session, and thank you guys for attending the full class till the end. And if you did not understood anything, specifically class 9th and 8th students, don't worry, at least you tried. You are learning something, a topic which doesn't belong to your class right now. Okay, yes Gaurang, you just make the new group, okay, and add me there. Okay guys, चलो, so I'll see you in the next session. Leaderboards मैंने दिखा दिया ना? हाँ, leaderboard मैंने दिखा दिया. Yes, for the Telegram link, you can text me on Telegram. Okay, I have given my ID to you. You just text me. Bye guys, take care.